Hi, I'm Jerry Chandler. I'm one of the guidance counselors here at Wellesley Middle School.
Hi, I'm Bill Kraft. I'm also one of the counselors here at Wellesley Middle School.
Today we're going to be talking a little bit about 6th grade and hopefully giving you a lot of information that will help you in your registration process.
Yep, we'll talk a little bit about what we do and how we help you and how you're going to have a great transition into the middle school. When you enter Wellesley Middle School as a 6th grader, don't worry, you'll have lots of help.
We want to tell you a little bit about the structure of the middle school. There are houses, clusters, and teams. You might be thinking, what is a house?
Right? So a house is a team of 6th grade teachers who work together.
And a group of homerooms. I'm going to show you this picture. This is a picture and it shows all of our different houses. House W, House M, House S, WMS, and R. And each little mark is for a homeroom. So you can see there's some houses that have 4 homerooms and one house that has 2 homerooms.
Homerooms travel together to each academic period, so you'll stay with the same group. The other result of having students in houses is that you'll have 2 periods a day with your homeroom teacher. One is an academic period where the teacher teaches an academic subject, and the other period will be a literacy workshop where you'll do some reading or read alouds. In terms of subjects you'll take as a 6th grader, of course you'll take the typical academic subjects, including math, science, social studies, and English.
And then there are enrichment courses. The enrichment courses are courses that almost all kids take, like fitness and health, working on wellness, music, makerspace, visual arts. And then you'll have elective courses. You'll get a chance to choose them during the registration. It will be really important that you take a look at our electives that 6th graders have available to them before you come. You can find those on our website under our program of studies.
In terms of the schedule and the way you spend your day, the school day will start at roughly 7:40. You'll be able to enter the halls. Sometimes students get to school early. In that case, you'll go to the cafeteria until 7:40. You hear a bell ring at 7:40. You can enter the halls to go to your locker. And then homeroom will start at 7:50. Homeroom is about 10 minutes long, and your first period will start about 8 o'clock.
You probably haven't had a guidance counselor before. That's one thing that you have here at the middle school. Everyone has a guidance counselor, and we do many different things. We sort of see ourselves as sort of the home base for the students. We help you, encouraging you in friendship activities and around your schedule. We help you adjust to the middle school. We also get a chance to actually teach classes to our 6th graders once a cycle, which is really one of our favorite things.
Sure. We'll also help with your academic progress. We meet with your teachers at least once a cycle to get feedback from teachers that sometimes we'll share with you to give you a heads up on some of the things you're doing really well and of which you should be proud, and some things that you might want to adjust a little bit. We cover your schedule or handle your schedule in case you have some questions about what you'll be taking the following semester and so forth. And so there's a great deal of support.
We wanted to share with you some advice from 6th graders that we thought were really important. First one is, one 6th grader said, don't panic. Don't be nervous. The school doesn't feel as big when you get to know it.
Another point of advice from other students here was to just be yourself and don't worry about making friends. So we have a big school. You'll be in different classes with different students. Even though your academic subjects will be with your homeroom peers, your electives will be with students from maybe from your elementary school, and you'll make lots of connections, so don't worry.
Another piece of advice was, when you have a test coming up, always study. If you have a lot of homework, plan it out so you give yourself time to study.
The last point that students wanted you to know is sometimes 6th graders worry a little bit about missing recess. Don't worry about missing recess. The fact is your classes aren't just sitting in a class listening to a teacher lecture. You'll get to move around in class, and every 45 minutes the bell rings, the class is changing, so you get up and move about the building.
We have club and after-school activities. There will be a activity fair in September, so you can sign up and hear about all the great opportunities that we have. Finally, on the first, just so you know, I think kids get really nervous about the first couple of days. We want you to know that you will be traveling with your homeroom to and from classes. Your homeroom teachers know that this transition is hard and will take care of you.
So we look forward to seeing you at Wellesley Middle School. We'll be here to help. Everyone's assigned a guidance counselor, and we love working with our students.